All right, all right, all right. It's the weekend, and this is going to be a weekend quickie. So we're going to take a quick look at S&P, and we look like we have a bull flag right here. So we could get another consolidation day. I mean, the shorter the long on the flag is if we break the high of 44.63 on Monday, then we moving on up. And I'm thinking our target is probably about 4,500. So, I mean, that's not really unreasonable. It's a 45-point move. We see those all the time. I prefer something a little smaller, but that's all right. We'll keep our eye on that. We could get another retrace. The daily momentum is building. We could get another retrace, another consolidation bar before the break, but this is a pretty good looking flag. So I'm thinking we're flagging. Maybe a little higher tomorrow and then a retrace, Monday and then a retrace, or hey, could be a rocket Monday. Who knows? Who knows what the Chinese are going to do over the weekend? So let's just take a look at that. BIGI is like a silly thing. TACA, I don't know. Somebody drop me a line and give me some other stocks to look at. I don't like all the stuff we're looking at these days. You want to look at AMC? Oh yeah, that's some slow internet. That's why my stream keeps dropping. I'm working on a solution. My other solution, I don't know, an update or something, just whacked out my hotspot. So I'm trying to work that out. Anywho, hey, I don't like it. Guess what? I hope you guys already took your profits if you had them. I mean, I don't know when, but I'm figuring this is about $34 again, and then breaking that low, it's going to get worse. I mean, I just don't see it anymore. You know what I'm saying? I mean, there's not even any enthusiasm behind it anymore. So don't be the guy left holding the bag. And let's look at Bitcoin. Bitcoin's getting a beating, although that was a pretty nice comeback today. But this is just the beginning of the end for the security. I mean, no country really wants to deal with this. Blockchain is an interesting technology, and blockchain will be utilized for the government cryptocurrencies. So expect the U.S. currency eventually to be digital, but so if you're investing in blockchain technology and things like that, that's fine. But the individual products, the individual cryptocurrency products, I think they're going to come and go. So just be careful. I'm sure it's fun to trade, but as far as an investment, I don't think it's a sound investment. So anyway, I don't see anything here on the daily. It's a good rebound here, but everything's very negative and very bearish. I don't see any entry if you're looking to take an entry. And we'll just have a quick look at the 60-minute. Yeah, you could look for a cup and handle tomorrow. You know, comes up, comes down, then breaks it. Or Monday, rather. But again, just not something I'm going to be going after. And that's really all I'm going to look at. Is that the 10-year? Yeah, that's a little disconcerting, man. The 10 years at a 1.40, 1.38. It's kind of a problem. So we're going to have to keep an eye on that and how the market reacts to that. Oh, and you know what? SPX, let's just take a look at it on a weekly and just see what we got going on for the weekly. And this is just generally what the markets are doing. So if you're trading in individual securities, I mean, a rising tide lifts all ships, right? So let's get rid of that fib. I don't even know what that. Oh, that fib's on the daily. I mean, we have a weekly hammer. If we break next week's high, we'll probably, or this week's high, we'll probably test the highs. But usually after these hammers, you get a little break of the high, but then a little bit of a consolidation for the week. So sometimes it gives a double test of the low. I don't think we're going to get that low again, but we may just get up to probably the 87 mark. Maybe 89. Test the high of this week right here. Which was 492. I mean, the momentum still looks negative, but the price action looks positive. So I guess we'll just have to see. Really, not much I can tell you from the chart. Sometimes it's obvious, sometimes it's not. Be that as it may, this is it for me for the week. I'm going to go start making up some dinner that I've been thinking about all day. So you guys have a nice weekend. And remember, everybody, when you're trading, stay calm, be cool, and be at peace.